Enterprise IT teams are increasingly tasked to enhance app performance, simplify network operation and maintenance, and centralize management. To solve these issues, team turned to VMware SD-WAN, which offers many benefits, including improved performance, simplified deployment, enhanced network visibility, and dynamic application steering. Now, VMware SD-WAN consists of 150 SASE points of presence, or POPs. The POPs serve as an on-ramp to SaaS and cloud services, delivering optimal network performance, regardless of the location or endpoint type. This optimal placement ensures individual users connect to the closest regional POP to reduce latency, increase performance, and securely access enterprise resources and cloud services.